So there's nobody who wants to see this more than I do with Cardano. We have recently seen the price of Cardano slowly tick up. And in this video, we're going to talk about a very, very crucial indicator that is bullish for the price of Cardano. Of course, you guys know how I feel about the long-term outlook on ADA. I think it's underperformed to this point in these last couple cycles, but I think Cardano's time is coming. Its chain is growing. The TVL, total value locked, has been moving up significantly. More developers are filing in. The upgrades, albeit they've been slow and steady, which is to be expected with Charles Hoskinson, have been making a huge difference. And we already know that Cardano has one of the strongest, if not the strongest, community in all of crypto. Prove everybody that point by smashing the like button and dropping ADA in the chat right now. Drop ADA in the chat because you guys are going to love this one. Cardano ADA paints EMA golden cross. Here's what this means, guys. So Cardano has painted a pivotal technical pattern right now. When this happens, it is when a shorter term moving average, typically they take about the 50-day EMA. It's when this 50-day EMA crosses over a longer term moving average, such as the very common 200-day EMA. This is traditionally viewed as a bullish signal within the trading community, and that is exactly what's happened with Cardano here just hours ago. This technical event is often looked at as an indicator that a new bullish trend is starting. So with Cardano, we've slowly but surely been ticking up, and in the case of ADA here, it aligns with the broader positive momentum observed by the overall altcoin market. We're finally seeing capital come back into altcoins and Cardano experiencing some of those gains. The moving average convergence divergence, or MACD for short, indicator supports this bullish sentiment as well. Again, that 50-day crossing above the 200-day EMA here, with signal lines and histograms indicating increased buying pressure and increased demand right now for Cardano. This is conducive environment for the golden cross, and it's also conducive for some bullish sentiment around Cardano. In terms of price performance, the golden cross can be a precursor to a rally acceleration. So it might be an early sign that a big rally is about to come. And I think for Cardano in particular, we saw us get up into the mid 40 cent range. That's kind of our next hurdle. We saw us do that earlier this year, back in April, I believe, without having the chart right in front of me, but I believe it's back in April. That is kind of our first hurdle. Once we see 50 cent Cardano, look out. We have some gaps to fill there, and it could get really interesting. So for Cardano, the formation of the golden cross could act as another fresh buying interest level, potentially elevating the price to test the next resistance level. This possible scenario for Cardano following the ADA golden cross could be a mixed one, though, still. While the initial reaction might lead to an uptick in price, fueled by renewed confidence and more people opening up trades, market dynamics, overall markets always could prompt a period of consolidation or even areas of pullback as well. A lot of it comes back to what's Bitcoin doing, what's Ethereum doing. The rest of the market kind of flows and follows suit. But with Cardano, we talked about why I believe it's one of the best picks and why it's one of the safest bets, in my opinion here, ahead of this next bull cycle. Cardano's a top 10 crypto number one. I think it's been undervalued for some time, and I also think it was oversold during this bear market. Coin Bureau did a fantastic video recently talking about Cardano, thinking that it could go all the way as $25, which is crazy to say this. And this is when it was 25 cents not too long ago. Could you imagine if Cardano doesn't 100x in this next cycle? When Coin Bureau is talking about that, he doesn't just throw that stuff out there. That's a crazy, crazy prediction. Now, we're already well above that 25 cent level right now. However, let's just take $15, right? Basically cut his prediction in half. That's still amazing, amazing potential here for a relatively large crypto by market cap. Cardano's in that sweet spot, right? It's not too big where it's really hard to multiply, but it's also not too small and too new where people don't know how it's really going to play out. It doesn't carry as much risk with it, right? Because it's been around. It's been here since 2017. It has a solidified leader in the space. It has one of the strongest communities in the space. And obviously, they're pretty much building in every area within, the smart contract realm. So you guys know how I feel. Cardano's one of my favorites, and this is a bullish time right now for Cardano, especially with this 50-day EMA crossing over the 200-day EMA. Let me know what you guys think about this. And again, drop your ADAs in the chat. Let me hear you guys. Let them know that Cardano's got one of the strongest communities in all of crypto. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.